Top 6 vitamins to improve your vision naturally. Are you looking for the best vitamins to support your eye health and keep them feeling young? Look no further, because in this video, I'm going to reveal the top 6 vitamins that will help you improve your vision naturally. Our eyes are one of our most vital senses, helping us navigate and perceive the world around us. Sadly, however, our eyes are not invincible and are susceptible to a range of diseases that can impair our vision or even lead to blindness. Some of the most common eye diseases include cataracts, glaucoma, and age-related macular degeneration. Excessive screen time can also lead to several negative effects on our eyes. It can cause eye strain, blurred vision, dryness, irritation, and fatigue. Grabbing a prescription from your optometrist isn't always the best solution. Sure, it can help with certain cases of poor eyesight, but what if there was another way? A natural way that would keep your peepers healthy without breaking the bank? Well, then you found the right place, because I'm about to dish out 6 essential vitamins that will give your eyes a much-needed boost. So stick around and get ready for some eye-opening facts. Please note that I use the word vitamins broadly to include minerals and enzymes that can be used to boost the health of your eyes. Before we begin, please remember that this video is for educational purposes only. It's important to seek advice from a healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a vital nutrient for maintaining and improving vision health. It is an essential part of a diet and can be taken in supplemental form, either as preformed vitamin A or provitamin A beta-carotene. Vitamin A, also known as retinol, helps the eyes to adjust to different levels of light while also supporting day and night vision. Plus, it plays a role in preventing macular degeneration, which leads to age-related vision loss. This vital nutrient can help repair mucous membranes inside the eyes, allowing them greater protection against infection and irritation. Additionally, research suggests that vitamin A could aid in the growth of healthy eye tissue. To ensure you get enough vitamin A, include eggs, dark leafy green vegetables, colored fruits such as carrots and squash in your diet, along with fish liver oil supplements to benefit your eye health in the long run. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is an essential nutrient for the body that plays an important role in maintaining good health. One of the many benefits of vitamin C is its ability to help improve eye health. Studies have shown that regular consumption of vitamin C can help reduce the risk of cataracts, macular degeneration, and other eye-related problems. To include vitamin C in your diet, one can consume citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, as well as kiwi, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. Additionally, vitamin C supplements are also available, but it is always recommended to consult a healthcare professional before starting any vitamin supplementation. Making sure you get enough vitamin C in your diet can help maintain good overall health and keep your eyes functioning at their best. Lutein and Zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin are 2 key nutrients that can improve eye health. These carotenoids are found in high concentrations in the retina of the eye, where they act as antioxidants and protective filters against harmful blue light. While our bodies don't naturally produce lutein and zeaxanthin, we can increase our intake by including foods such as leafy greens, citrus fruits, and egg yolks in our diet. Additionally, taking supplements or using fortified products like orange juice or cereal can help. Studies have shown that increasing the intake of these nutrients can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and other eye conditions. So, incorporating lutein and zeaxanthin into your daily routine could be a simple yet effective way to support your vision and overall eye health. Recommended levels for optimal eye health are 10 milligrams per day for lutein and 2 milligrams per day for zeaxanthin. If you are finding this video helpful so far, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like and subscribe button. I put a lot of care and effort into creating these videos to help you out, so your support means the world to me. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of unsaturated fat that the body needs to function properly. EPA and DHA are the 2 main types of omega-3 fatty acids that are especially important for optimal eye health. Studies have found that increased consumption of omega-3 fatty acids can significantly reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration and dry eye syndrome, both of which can lead to vision loss. Fortunately, there are many easy and delicious ways to incorporate omega-3 fatty into your diet. Fish, such as salmon and tuna, nuts like walnuts and almonds, and flax seeds are all excellent sources of omega-3s. Vegetarians can opt for chia seeds, hemp seeds, and leafy green vegetables such as kale and spinach. By including omega-3 rich foods in your diet, you can help to protect your eyes and overall health. Zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral that our bodies need for a variety of functions, including supporting the immune system, wound healing, and yes, maintaining healthy eyes. In fact, zinc is found in high concentrations in the retina and the choroid layer of the eye, and it plays a crucial role in the production of melanin, a pigment that helps protect the eyes from damage caused by sunlight. So, how can you get more zinc in your diet? Fortunately, there are many good food sources of zinc, including oysters, beef, pork, chicken, legumes, and whole grains. The recommended daily amount of zinc varies depending on age and gender, but for most adults, it's around 8 to 11 milligrams per day. By incorporating zinc-rich foods into your diet, you can help support healthy eyes and overall health. Thiamine. Thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, is a crucial nutrient that our body needs in order to function properly. It helps to convert food into energy and plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy nervous system. But did you know that it can also improve eye health? Thiamine can help prevent cataracts, a condition where the lens of the eye becomes cloudy and impairs vision. It can also protect against glaucoma, a disease that damages the optic nerve and can lead to blindness. To include more thiamine in your diet, try incorporating foods such as whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. The recommended daily amount of thiamine for adults is 1.2 milligrams, but this can vary depending on factors such as age, gender, and pregnancy. So be sure to speak with a healthcare professional to determine the right amount for you. By incorporating thiamine-rich foods into your diet, you can not only improve your eye health, but also support overall wellness. So there you have it. Now that you know the top 6 vitamins to maintain a healthy vision, you can start making sure that these vitamins are part of your diet. By combining proper nutrition with regular eye checkups and eyewear optimization, such as prescription glasses or contacts when needed, you can take an active role in protecting your eyes longer and give them access to natural nourishment. Creating a consistent routine of ensuring that these eye-friendly vitamins make it into your daily meals is a great way to maintain both your physical and optical health. It's important to remember that although it's easy to get the recommended doses, it is crucial to not overconsume too many vitamins, since large intake amounts could lead to uncomfortable side effects like headaches, nausea, or vomiting. At the end of the day, everyone's diet is different, so if you're unsure about what combination works best for you, make sure to consult a professional doctor or nutritionist who can provide tailored advice and instructions. We want all our viewers to have healthy vision, so please comment below what are some of the things you do to maintain good eye health so others can benefit from it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, click here to learn about top supplements and vitamins to repair nerve damage.